Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you three different things, how I've organized the iCloud backup storage for our class, specifically EDCI 270, how to create a new document, and how to share that document. So as you can see, I've used Google Drive before to back up things. I used it all the time in high school, however I created a separate one for college. So this is a folder that I had for Chem 200 that was last semester, so I created a new one for EDCI 270. And in it, so far I don't have much as we just started the class, but I created a folder within it that's for course theme. Currently, right now, the theme that I'm sitting on is counting in numbers. This is a document that I did for the badge this week that's in it. That's so far all I have. So now we're supposed to show how to create a document and save it within this. So over here on the left-hand side under the drive, it says there's this plus button and it says new. So I'm going to click on that and I want to create a Google Docs. So I'm going to I want a blank document, nothing big. Up here I'm just going to type I'm going to title it EDCI. We're going to do trial document, not anything big or whatever. And in here you can type whatever you need to. So I'm going to say, hello, my name is Brooke. That's pretty much all you need. Right here it says it's saved. You can see that all changes are saved in Drive. So what I'm going to do is up in this right hand corner, there's this blue button that says share. I'm going to share it to someone who I know, their email. Right here, I'm going to share it with this person. In this small box that pops up, you can share it with multiple people. You can add a note, and right here it says you can edit, comment, and view. So I'm going to allow him to edit it, and then this blue button right here is what's going to allow him to see it. So I'm going to press send, and that is shared with him. So now he can go on and edit it and do all sorts of different things. So to show you how to put this into my Drive, I'm going to go back to Google Docs, and I really just want to go to the Drive. So we're going to once we get back there, all of the changes will be saved in there. So here's that EDCI trial document. And since I created that document once I was already in that folder, it pops up in here saved automatically. But say I wasn't, and I was just out here on my Drive and I created a new doc. So it loads. We're going to call it untitled document. We're just going to say hello once again. So that means it's saved in my Drive. So I want to go back. I want to go back to my Drive again. So we're going to get there. Go over here. There's Drive. And that untitled document pops up right here underneath files. So I'm just going to click it, hold, and drag it till it gets into EDCI 270. I'm going to double click, open up that, and here's that file. And if I wanted to put it into this course theme folder, I would do the same thing. I would just click on it, hold, and drag it. However, I'm not going to add it into it because it doesn't really have anything to do with the course theme. So that's how you do those. Thanks for listening.